This dance is called Love Will Turn You Around. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, improver level line dance with 3 restarts and 1 tag. Starting on our right foot, step the right to the side, step the left beside the right into a chassé to the right with a quarter turn on the end, side close turn. Similar set of steps now going to the left. So we step the left to the side, feet together, into a chassé to the left with a quarter turn, but we're going to turn right. So it's side, close, quarter turn right. So you're going to actually step back on that left. So that little set of steps once more then. Side, close, chassé off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, chassé, turn, side, close, chassé, turn. Remember, we're stepping back. Into a nice, easy little rumba box. Side, close, step, side, close, back. Back lock step, right foot leading, coaster step off on the left. So that last little set then. Into that rumba box, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, lock, back, coaster, step. Let's add that to the top. Side, close, chassé, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, chassé, turn, side, close, chassé, turn, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, lock, back, coaster, step. Add on a couple of Dorothy steps. So these Dorothy or wizard steps, very similar to the step locks, but that last step doesn't travel forward. That's the only real difference, and the timing. So Dorothy off on the right, step, lock, and, repeat on the left, step, lock, and. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a coaster step, right foot leading. That set of steps once more then, Dorothy's off on the right. 7, 8, Dorothy, Dorothy, forward, rock, coaster, step. Add that to the top. Side, close, chassé, off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, chassé, turn, side, close, chassé, turn, side, close, step, side, close, back, back, lock, back, coaster, step. Dorothy, Dorothy, forward, rock, coaster, step. Now we're going to do a jazz box, but this jazz box is going to be made up of toe struts. So we're starting off with the left, so we do a cross strut, left over right, back strut on the right, side strut on the left, and on the very final one, touch. So no strut on that last one. But otherwise they all consist of toe struts. Side mambo, right foot leading, side rock, recover, feet together, and repeat with the left. Rock to the side, recover, feet together. End of dance when we get to that point. So let's just do that jazz box. Strutting jazz box off on the left. 7, 8, cross strut, back strut, side strut, touch, side mambo, side mambo. Let's put it all together. Side close, chassé, off on the right. 7, 8, side close, chassé, turn, side close, chassé, turn, side close, step, side close, back, back, lock, back, coaster, step. Dorothy, Dorothy, forward, rock, coaster, step. Cross strut, back strut, side strut, touch, side mambo, side mambo. That's your dance. I'll go through it now with the cats. Side close chasse, off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Side close chasse, half on the right. 7, 8, side close, chasse turn, side close, chasse turn, side close step, side close back, back lock back, coaster step. Dorothy, Dorothy, forward rock, coaster step, cross strut, back strut, side strut touch, side mambo, side close, chasse turn, side close, chasse turn, side close step, side close back, back lock back, coaster step. Dorothy, Dorothy, forward rock, coaster step, cross strut, back strut, side strut touch, side mambo, side mambo. Now, as I said, there are 3 restarts, 1 tag in this dance. Tag is nice and easy. It comes at the end of wall 4. You will be facing the front wall. You will have just done your side mambos. You literally just do side, close and restart the dance. So it's effectively 2 side closes to start the next wall. That's all your tag is, side close. Your restarts come on walls 3, 6 and 7 in 2 different places. It would be too easy if they all came in exactly the same place. So for walls 3 and 7, your restart is after 22 counts. So you will have done your Dorothy's, you'll do your forward rock, restart at that point. So walls 3 and 7 are your 12 o'clock wall. So let's just take you up to that restart point so you can see where it is. Side close chasse off on the right. 7, 8, side close, chasse turn, side close, chasse turn, side close step, side close back, back lock back, coaster step. Dorothy, Dorothy, forward rock, restart, side close, chasse turn. So that's your restart point on walls 3 and 7. Now on wall 6, it comes after 28 counts. So basically once you've done your jazz box, your strutting jazz box, wall 6 will be your 6 o'clock wall. So let's just take you up to that point on this wall, restart the dance. Side close chasse, off on the right. 7, 8, side close, chasse turn, side close, chasse turn, side close step, side close back, back lock back, coaster step. Dorothy, Dorothy, forward rock, coaster step, cross strut, back strut, side strut, touch, restart, side close, chasse turn. So I don't propose to actually dance wall 4. I will shout them out when we get to it in the music. So, restarts. Walls 3 and 7 after 22 counts. Wall 6 after 28 counts. Tag on wall 4, side close, end of wall 4. You'll be facing 12 o'clock. So that's your dance, it's your walk through, it's your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go to their music. close, chasse turn, side close, chasse turn, side close step, side close back, back and back, coaster step, Dorothy, Dorothy, forward rock, coaster step, jazz, side mambo, side mambo, side close, chasse turn, side close, chasse turn, side close step, side close back, back or back, coaster step, Dorothy's, forward rock, coaster step, jazz, front strut, back strut, side strut, touch, side mambo, side chasse.
That tricks you into leaving every time.
Remember, it's your first restart wall,
Love will turn you around.
Dorothy's,
Turn you around.
restart, psychos,
That talks you into staying where you
Remember,
are. Love will turn you around.
Dorothy,
Turn you around.
jazz, and your tag, side close,
Out
restart,
of the blue, she reaches for you, and you tell her you don't have time.
rubber,
You move away fast, but you know it won't last, 'cause you can't get her off of your mind.
Dorothy,
Burning, turning, turning
Jazz.
around. How do you know when to stay or to go? And how do you know when it's free? You don't need a sign to make up your mind. You got your heart at the wheel. You wanna start sharing, caring, you're caring again.
wait for it, restart,
That tricks you into leaving every time. Love will turn you around, turn you around.
restart,
Your heart, that talks you into staying where you are. Love will turn you around, turn you around. Love will turn you around, turn you around. Yeah, love will turn you around, turn you around. Turn you around. Turn you around.
hope you managed that one.